Enough was Iran. I was 6 years old, a sunny morning. Me and my mom were walking down the street. We passed a giant toy shop. I saw the prettiest, most cutest giant pink dollhouse I've ever seen in my life. I wanted it so bad. I begged my mom to buy it. She said no. I was so mad that morning that I cried myself to sleep right after we came back home. I woke up later. It was nighttime. Opened my eyes and saw the dollhouse of my dreams right in front of my eyes. White, pink plastic, height of a table. I loved the small, tiny, cute little objects of the bedroom. The kitchen, pink fridge, white cabinets, even the wallpaper was white and pink. I was so surprised and happy. This isn't the first time my mom has done something like this, said no and then surprised me later. I will always wake up and see that thing I wanted so bad right in front of my eyes.